Profitable setups are like a bus. There will always be a bus. There will always be a profitable setup. So even if the bus left you, do not trade. That's fine. Wait for the bus to come in. Wait for your bread and butter setup. Because eventually, in our trading lives, if you miss the bus, that's fine because there's going to be another bus. There is a superstar in sprinter. There is a superstar in marathon. In trading, we don't settle on a one big win. Trading is a marathon. It's not a sprint. You need to pabilisan. It's not always the case of the fastest is the winner. If trading is here, what are you hurrying? Because when you trade for your tomorrow. You don't trade for today. Is your trade today something that can support you for tomorrow? Are you trading today because you will solve problems for tomorrow? Or are you trading today and it's gonna be a problem for tomorrow? You can do it because someone has done it. Or someone has been left by the bus. But because he waited for the right bus to come, he is now profitable. He is now on the right bus of profitability because he listened. Naiwan ng bus before, hindi na sumama sa bus, nag-intay ng tamang bus, nag-aral ng ilang buwan, taon, para maging profitable. 100% win in 1 week is doable, but only if you only trade what is your bread and butter setup. It takes a lot of discipline to be profitable. There will always be a bus for you. There will always be a bread and butter setup for you, just you need to wait. I trust you. You will have your bus very soon. You just need to wait for the right bus to come.